Raindrops trace the glass, a field I used to know. Sunlight on the grass, a place I watched things grow. They plucked me from the earth, packed me in this chill, forgot my floral birth, now the air is still. Hear a key turn in the lock, my petals hold their breath. Tick-tock, tick-tock, anticipating death or a different kind of bloom in this electric room. Refrigerator roses, I was grown to be held behind these glassy poses. A story to be told, this cool blue light, I'm under a lonely, tender hum, lost in silent wonder, waiting for someone. The door swings open wide, a shadow steps inside. A card, nowhere to hide, then darkness, nowhere to confide. They leave me to my fate beneath the LED glow, sealed behind the gate with nowhere else to go. Hear a key turn in the lock, my petals hold their breath. Tick-tock, tick-tock, anticipating death or a different kind of bloom in this electric room. Refrigerator roses, I was grown to be held behind these glassy poses. A story to be told, this cool blue light, I'm under a lonely, tender hum, lost in silent wonder, waiting for someone. A sudden power cut, the world goes black and deep. My senses are shut, secrets I will keep. In the quiet I unfurl, opening ever wide. In this forgotten world, there's nowhere left to hide. To be held, but the cold is honest. More than stories, they've compelled. This cool blue light I'm under, it whispers what is true. No more foolish wonder, I prefer the cold for you. Ellie buzz softly sighs, a monster glows the pain. Beneath these lonely skies I bloom again, again.